Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing great. Today we're gonna do a lesson 18 that is going to be hinged on types of triangles and angles. So first of all, we're gonna do different types of triangles and then we'll dissect each type. And then afterwards, we're gonna do some examples in order to decipher the topic well. So let's begin with different types of triangles. So our first type is an equilateral triangle. So in equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal. That means if this is an equilateral triangle, A, B, C, and all the sides like AB, AC, BC, they are equal. And also the angles inside the triangles, like the angles inside the equilateral triangle, they're all 60-degree because sum of the angles of triangles is 180. Like A plus B plus C, and the sum of all the angles of triangle, they are 180-degree. So our second type is isosceles. In isosceles triangle, two of the three sides are equal. That means if, let's suppose, this is isosceles triangle where AB and AC, they're equal and the side BC is not equal. So that means AB and AC, they're equal and the side BC is not equal to AB and AC. So in short, in isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. So our third type is scalene triangle. In scalene triangle, all the sides are different. So let's draw a scalene triangle first. So, and name the triangle as A, B, and C. So that means AB is not equal to BC is not equal to AC. So AB, AC, and BC has different dimensions. So our fourth type is right angle triangle. So in right angle triangle, one of the interior angles is 90-degree. Let's suppose this is a right angle triangle and the side that makes a right angle triangle with the base is perpendicular, and this is base, and the side opposite to a right angle triangle is hypotenuse, and hypotenuse is also the longest side. So AC is hypotenuse. Which is also the longest side. So our next type is, which is the fifth one, acute angle triangle. In acute angle triangle, all the interior angles are less than 90 degree. So let's draw the acute angle triangle. ABC. So in ABC, all the interior angles, this is 40 and this is 75 and this is 35. They were all less than 90 degree, like A less than 90 degree and B also less than 90 degree, and C, similarly C is also less than 90 degree. So our last type is obtuse angle triangle. What is obtuse angle triangle? In obtuse angle triangle, one of the interior angle is like one of the interior angle, like the interior angles is greater than 90 degree. For example, let's draw obtuse angle triangle. A, B, C. Let's suppose A less than 90, where B is greater than 90 degree, and C also less than 90. In short, in obtuse angle triangle, B greater than 90, where A less than 90, similarly C, like C less than 90. So our next topic is congruent triangles. Congruent triangles, like so two triangles are congruent if they have similar shape and size. Similar shape and size. That means their shape is similar and their corresponding angles and corresponding sides, they are also equal. So let's suppose ABC is one triangle and DEF is second triangle. This is first and this is second, where the size of ABC and DEF are same and their corresponding sides and angles, they're also equal. That means AB is equal to DE, like their corresponding sides. BC is equal to EF and AC is equal to DF. And also the corresponding angles, like A is equal to D, where B is equal to E and C is equal to F. So our last type is similar triangles. So two triangles are similar if they have identical shape, but it's not necessary that they have similar size. Similar triangles. So that means identical shape but not necessarily. Similar size. So let's draw two similar triangles. Like A, B, C, D, E, F. So in similar triangles, the corresponding angles, they are equal. Like angle A is equal to D and B is equal to E and C is equal to F. And the corresponding sides, they are proportional. That means AB over DE and BC over EF and AC over TF. Now we're gonna do two basic examples in order to understand what we have learned so far. So our first example is the frame of roof is in the shape of isosceles triangle, and also we are given one of the angles is 110 degree, and what we need to find out, what are the size of other two angles. So in isosceles triangle, two of the sides and two of the angles are equal. So let's draw the isosceles triangle first. Like A, B and C, and we are given one angle which is 110 degree, and AB, like A and B, they are equal because it is isosceles triangle. So A and B, they are equal. So let's suppose A and B as angle X. So, and also sum of the angles in triangle is 180 degree. A, B, C, they are 180 degree. So that means where A is X, B is also X, and C we are given 110. So this is 2x, and 180 minus 110, so this is 70. This implies 70 over 2, 35 degree. So A is 35 degree. As A and B are equal, so B is also 35 degree. So our last example is the side lengths of triangular road sign are identical, and what we need to find out what is size of its angles. So less emphasis on what is given to us. If this is a triangular road sign ABC, its side lengths, they are equal. So if their side lengths are equal, that means this is equilateral triangle, and also their angles are equal too. So let's suppose angle A, B and C, they are equal to X, and we already know that sum of the angles in triangles is 180. So A is x, B also x, C also x. So after addition, 3x and 180 divided by 3. So x is 60 degree. If x is 60 degree, that means A, B and C, they're all 60 degree.